I'm Sarah Holt, CMO of Center Parcs. I'm delighted to share with you all today the behind the scenes of our amazing campaign. I've been a guest of Center Parcs for 20 years, so it's a real privilege to be here today to shoot the new TV ad.
For me personally, Center Parcs means a great deal. My kids have loved it. In fact, I taught both my kids how to cycle here. A really special moment for me, coming back and recreating that in the wonderful environment of Longleat.
We are absolutely buzzing to have Longleat be chosen to hold the new advert and showcase what the magic is that we deliver to our guests.
This campaign is so important because it's the first iteration of our new brand positioning. We are returning back to the basics of what makes Center Parcs so truly unique, so things like lodges, nature, animals, and an important focus on that deep moment of family connection.
We'll be getting people on bikes, we'll be getting on the rapids, we'll be getting on the lake. Each day, a fantastic way of showing what families really get up to in this wonderful, wonderful place.
The guests are the centre of the Parcs world. So that was where we started, that was the brand idea. And so many of the guests here spoke about you're away from everyday life, you haven't got that sort of usual chaos of everything. And it actually just feels like you're in a bubble with your family.
What I loved about this project was the intersection of magical realism with a very mainstream story. For me, the most important thing was that bubbles were never a gimmick in this story at all. Like, they actually had a sense of emotional purpose to them. So they move, they react, their form is defined by the environment around them, and that's exactly the same as a human experience of somewhere like Center Parcs.
So we created a highly controllable bubble animation rig which enabled us to push and pull and shape the bubble. On top of that, we created a simulation setup which allowed us to do very accurate interactions with the bubble, brushing against surfaces or kicking up dirt and debris from the ground as it moved.
We sat and had a long meeting about how the bubbles themselves would sound, how they would interact with the world, then how that would work with the music, the forests, you know, the quietness, the stillness, nature.
What this ad is trying to achieve is that amazing emotional feel when families experience that moment of brilliance amongst them.
It's a great piece of creative. I think the music's amazing, it looks beautiful, the VFX is great.
We build better worlds. It's our new brand purpose, and it is true to who we are.